Hey guys, Matt Eppers, Grand Design Serenova Product Manager, and I'm so excited today to introduce to you for the very first time the much anticipated 2025 Serenova. Now today we're going to talk about the 160LG, but I'd like to introduce you to the features that make Serenova different from anything else you've seen in the market. What this product is a lighter weight, single axle, very maneuverable, towability off the charts as far as how easy this thing is to tow, but it's loaded with high-end features and quality that we see at a much higher price point and much larger units. Think some of your higher-end fifth wheels like a Solitude, we brought a lot of those features down into a single axle that's lightweight, easy to tow, easy to maneuver, but you'll be surprised by the amount of features and lifestyle features that we brought in to pack a punch for you guys. Now let's talk about some of them, and three of the biggest that we'll talk about will be full acrylic windows all the way throughout the unit. Okay, so that's 360 acrylic windows outside of the front window. We'll talk about that more in a minute. But with these acrylic windows, we have the nightshade integrated into it, and then the other cool part about it will be the actual screen integrated into the acrylic window, and that's on every window in the unit. Very exclusive for this segment of product. We're excited to offer it for you in the Grand Design Serenova here. You also notice every Serenova will have a true dry bath, meaning that the shower, the toilet, and the sink are all separated, and that'll be dry in every bathroom and every floor plan that we introduce. And then lastly, we'll get inside and take a peek at it, but an 8-cube French door 12-volt refrigerator is a first in its kind in this single axle product and kind of this segment. We're excited to bring that to you as well. But on top of that, a lot of other features we're going to cut through real quick, give you a 3-minute look at what this brand new 2025 Serenova is coming to the market here in January 2025. Let's start with the imported Italian door. You'll see the motorized power step right under the door. It acts on the same action as the door, so if we close it, it'll close. If we open it, that comes back out. There's a button on the inside that can stop that, so the step will stay where it's at. But looking at this imported Italian door, you see a lot of storage, hooks for you, and again, an integrated shade behind the door. That way we can open it up. Same with our acrylic windows. You do have a built-in shade, and that's a motorized feature we brought down to you guys here for the Serenova. Very excited for that. Lighted handle. As we get over here, you will notice our running gear is a lot different. This is going to be on an independent suspension. Our Serenova is built on a MORryde independent suspension paired with a MORryde aluminum frame. First of its kind to get here in the industry. Aluminum rims, so you'll see that a lot. Lightweight, high-end. Very high quality materials used. Aluminum frame, independent suspension, aluminum rims, and Goodyear tires already included on this with our standard balance beads. That's a Grand Design golden thread. Excited for you guys to have them here. A couple other things that you're going to see in our running gear will be a Norco electric 5.1 stabilizer system for you. So that means your stab jacks that we're going to see all four corners of the unit are power. They are also manual override capable for you, just to give you a backup as well. Full heated and enclosed underbelly, heated tanks down there as well, which is the first that we've seen for kind of this segment. As we get up top, you'll see the Girard motorized awning, very sleek, very beautiful, excited for that. Up top, full walk-on roof, something you won't see in a lot of competitors. And then we talk solar. Standard 200 watts of solar, standard 30 amp solar controller, and the big boy, a standard 3000 watt inverter prep. Now a 3000 watt inverter compared to a 2000 gives you the option to use your AC if you are off grid and you have enough solar. Now with the 3000 watt inverter prep, this is a standard 50 amp unit, okay? It's a small unit, but it's standard 50 amp because of that 3000 watt inverter prep. But if you're planning on plugging in 100%, 90% of the time and not planning on using that inverter, we can adapt you down to a 30 amp that'll work just fine at the campsite, so keep that in mind. But as we move to the rear, a couple more features we'll talk about before we pop inside is a thick baggage door. It's metal backed, and it is a slam latch for you that's solid. But let's look at the exterior storage. 58 cubic square foot of exterior storage on this 160LG. You'll notice it's separated, rubber diamond plate on the floor, metal diamond plate on the side. And check this out, really cool feature for us is the removable Grand Design pop-up folding table with its own sliding tray on the roof of this exterior storage for you. Very functional, very different than anything else we've seen in the market. As we come around the rear here, you'll notice not just the door side, but also the rear exterior bag door. That way everything's easy and functional to get to. Looking down, 150-pound weight rated receiver hitch, allows us to throw a bike rack there. And then as we look up top, great accent lighting, but more importantly, what's that? A standard installed Voyager backup camera. Not a prep, but the backup camera already installed standard from it, complements the Grand Design. Really excited for what we have to offer here, but let's go inside. I'll show you some of the other awesome features that you'll see in the new 2025 Serenova. Up here in the front dinette of this 160 LG, and again, we got a great look at that 8 cubic foot 12 volt refrigerator. You notice the French door, the bottom freezer. You're not going to find that in a lot of competitors. That's what makes us different here at Grand Design, is focusing on those storage and those lifestyle features. And another example of that will be in our dinette. Beautiful dinette. You see the window. You do have the blackout shade up front. This is the only non-acrylic window on the unit. But here on the corners, I also have, again, the blackout shades or the screens that pop up for us, whatever our heart desires. But on the inside here in the dinette, in order to make it functional for us to get in, I can now move this back. It allows me to get in and out very easily and also operate a workstation. You notice outlets, USBs all over the unit. What I really love about the Serenova and what makes this really different is our imported Techniform Italian cabinetry. Okay, this is brought over from Italy for us. You notice the concave door design. That's unique to Grand Design, something that you're not seeing in trailers. All of our cabinets as well, you'll notice soft close for us. And then you also notice the accent lighting up top. That's actually controlled here in the kitchen galley. Gives us a really nice ambiance, so I can turn off everything there. Or if I just want the overhead lights, turn off our inset lights. How great of an ambiance that gives us here in this unit. Okay, let's get the lights back on. We'll show you the soft touch ceiling. That's unique for our Serenova, our Max Air fan. And as we continue to kind of move into our kitchen, the thing that makes us different here, we'll get Don's poster out of the way for you. But look at the countertop space on this floor plan. And sorry, I'm actually missing some lights there. We'll turn that kitchen light on for you. But look at the amount of kitchen countertop space we have. And then again, as we pop in, you'll notice we go to flat panel doors here in order to give you some more space. All of them, again, soft close. More impressive though is if we go low, we see the amount of interior storage that we have in drawer space here. There's your kind of kitchen drying rack. All soft close here as well. You'll notice your utensil drawer, very functional space, very clean. Great sink, pull down faucet, power tower for us. And then the other cool thing is an induction cooktop, right? Very high-end feature. Now make sure you use those induction pots and pans for you. Convection microwave with the grill kind of combo for us. And then as we get to the rear, it's a couple more things for us that are big value differentiators. 270 degrees on those full acrylic windows, 270 degrees up above with your imported Italian concave door Techniform cabinets, and lastly a true 60 by 80 bed back here. Not a 60 by 74, but a true 60 by 80. We give you the comforter, complements the Grand Design. You will have a 12 volt 24 inch TV option in the back and a 12 volt 24 inch TV up front. Before we leave you though, let's check out this dry bath. One of those big differentiators for us. As we get inside, we see the shower, we see the shower surround. C-deck flooring. It's nice and tall. I'm 6'4". I can get in the shower. The shower handle has a stop and start to it, so I can stop the hot water. We are on a 60K tankless water heater, but one of the big features for us as we get inside, I know it's important. Hey, if we're in the bathroom, we want a bathroom sink. Pop down here in the Serenova. Very easy to use. I can brush my teeth. I can wash my hands. I can do all that right here in the bathroom and not use that kitchen sink. And then again, talk about storage, Serenova's got you covered. Behind the bathroom here on the inside, all great features for us. We're excited to release this new 2025 Serenova. We can't wait for you guys to see it. We'll see it popping up on Grand Design authorized dealer lots come January, February timeframe. We're excited for our customers, for you guys to get into this unit, to check it out, to give us feedback, and to see why Serenova is unlike any other travel trailer in the industry. Thanks for joining us today. Hope you have a great camping season.